Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of September. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonate with you, you can take guideline from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm gonna use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. I'm gonna take four cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and current situation. Four card for your feeling, attention, and current situation, and two card for your mutual feelings. Okay, got it. What is Scorpio person's feelings and thinking towards Scorpio? What is the Scorpio person's feeling and thinking toward Scorpio? We are having here Three of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. What are the Scorpio's feelings toward this person? We are having here the High Priestess, Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, Ten of Wands. So what is the mutual energy? We are having here Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles in the mutual energy. Okay. So Scorpio, sign that could be related to your person. It could be any Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With this Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacle. It could be any Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands and Page of Wand. It could be any Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Sword. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Eight of Pentacle, Ace of Pentacle, Knight of Pentacle, and Three of Pentacles. Okay, let's get started with your person's feeling first. Scorpio, okay, this is someone who just wanna work on this connection with you, and they definitely want to build something with you, some kind of collaboration, some kind of intimacy with you. I feel like that they are having this desire to speak to you and let you know what they feel, what they want to do about what they want in this connection here. And also with this Eight of Pentacle, they also want to make you work on this connection. They want you to participate in this in work. They want to talk to you about it. And I feel like that currently they are also see you as a queen of sword. They see you as a tough person, someone just you always they see you currently. They think about you twice, like I should talk or not, or could be possible that you are not talking with them, or could be possible you are not communicating with them, or could be possible you are cutting this person off as well. So currently they see you as a queen of sword, and they feel like that you are not ready to deal with BS, or maybe you are not ready to talk about love. You are not ready to work with them. You are not ready to work on this with them. If they wanna be with you, they will have to give you what you deserve, and you are not someone who you are not someone who is take less than what you deserve. So I feel like that they have some intentions. They also know that about you, what kind of person you are. I feel like that this person's able to understand you. That's why they're much more impressed by these qualities. They want to talk to you about that. They have those feelings. They want to they want to invest their feelings and emotion on you. They also wanna, this is someone who just wanna communicate with you, want to talk to you about something, or they want to work on this connection with you, and they want to make you work on this connection as well. I feel like that could be someone younger than you, could be someone who is who react like a younger. You are much more on higher level. This person is on lower level. There is a disbalance in some kind of maturity level. You could be much more mature. Scorpio could be much more educated. So let's see what is your feelings. So Scorpio, here we can see High Priestess and the Wheel of Fortune. So here we can see that you are high valued person. You are definitely like this Queen of Swords. You know what is your value. You know the self-respect. You are able to have some kind of awakening in your life, Scorpio. You are able to pass this test. I feel like that the wheel is turning into your favor. I feel like that some kind of a divine timing is there. You are in some kind of a magical period of your time. Everything is gonna work on your favor right now. I feel like that there is something going on. And also with this judgment card, it's a huge chapter. Something is very huge here. Huge energies around you, and I feel like that you are holding back from this person as well. This with this high priestess, you are not ready to invest on this person anymore. You are much more awakened what you want in your relation. With this ten of wand, I feel like that this person is a burden on your shoulder. You want to get rid of unnecessary things from your life. So let's see what is the mutual energy. So in mutual energy, we can see this Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. This person is just wanna offer you commitment and love, some kind of a love offering here, but they wanna take a step. They wanna don't rush into that. And with this Ace of Pentacle, you also want a relationship in this connection. You also want stability. You want stable connection. You want reliable connection. Could be marriage or something a long lasting. You are not looking for a like you are a high valued person, so automatically you want a family commitment, a strong bonding. So this is what you know you deserve. So let's see what else we have. What else for Scorpio? What else for Scorpio? We are having here Two of Swords, the Fool, and as an outcome we are having the Empress. Okay, and here we can having Two of Swords. I feel like that you are not ready to for this person. You are using your logic and your mind in the situation. Or could be possible you are giving much more importance to other things than this person. Currently you are a little bit indecisive about this person, but you are avoiding this person. I feel like that this person is offering you love and offering you a lot of love here, but you're still confused. Should you get this opportunity or not? I feel like that this is a beautiful opportunity for you, Scorpio. If this person is coming, I feel like that this is someone who is reliable. You can trust this person. Here we can see the Fool card. They definitely want a new beginning with you. They want you in their life. I feel like that they want a new start with you. This person is coming and they just wanna make you their empress. I feel like that they're gonna be able to make you their empress here. This is a beautiful outcome. This is a sign of development as well. So definitely, as they are want to work on this connection with this Three of Pentacle and Eight of Pentacle, and they want to talk about this relationship with you with this Page of Wand. I think this there is gonna be some development in this relationship. You both are gonna develop something beautiful. I feel like that you are gonna accept this love offering. This person is definitely this is someone who you can trust. This person could be from Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn because it's about a stability. You want stability, commitment. They are ready to offer you that. They are ready for it. They are exactly giving you what you want because they understand you. They understand you that you are not gonna deal with any BS, and they are able to give you stability, and they are trustworthy. I feel like that this is someone who's loyal as well. This is not a player kind of energy. Who could be younger, little bit immature, but this is what I'm getting. But I'm not getting that this person is bad for you. Feel like this can work out. This can have a beautiful development. So love is coming in your way. Okay, let's see what advice messages I should have for you in the end, Scorpio. Let's shuffle these chits for you. Don't give up. No need to fix, need to accept. Pray, have faith. These are few advice messages in the end for you, Scorpio. Hope this resonated with you. I really want that this resonated with you. And thank you so much for. And summary of your reading is someone offering you love and stability, and they want a strong connection with you, and they want to work on this connection. And you know your value. You are a high valued person, and there is some kind of an awakening call in you. You are right now you are indecisive about this person. You accept this opportunity, this accept this proposal or not. uh, I think you should accept this because outcome is so beautiful, the Empress. And I can see that there is some kind of development between both of you. And these are the summary of your readings, Scorpio. Hope this resonated with you. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Bye.